going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is Thursday, March 20th, 2025. Right now I am in a hurry, running a little late. It's about 9:30 in the morning. I have to get a crown put on today at Chickasha. So I'm headed to the dentist at Chickasha, and my appointment's at 10, so I'm trying to get there. Been getting fishing stuff ready, as you saw, because me and my buddy Casey are about to go fishing. And we're gonna be taking our sons, his son Crew, and my son Bodhi, my oldest son. I had to choose between Bodhi and Ford, and I just kind of thought, well, Bodhi's a little bit older, might be a little easier, I don't know. Bodhi has not, I don't think I've ever really taken him fishing. Maybe once when he was pretty small, just for like some bluegill or something down at the park, and he didn't really know what was going on. So it's gonna be a learning experience for Bodhi today. I'm not sure if he's gonna be scared of the you know, the largemouth bass, which is what we'll be going for. I'm not sure if he's gonna be scared of them or not. Now, Crew, on the other hand, he's a year younger than Bodhi, but I'm sure he's already seasoned and primed and gonna be a fish catching fool, taking pictures with them, kissing them like his dad. So Casey, his dad's the one, for those of you, wow, who have been like hardcore OG followers of my YouTube channel, you know that like over 10 years ago, Casey and I, who, again, my buddy I'm going with, we had this little thing called Bass Commander going on, and boy, we used to be hardcore into fishing. We went in my little two-man bass buggy quite a bit, caught a lot of fish, flipped a boat, so many stories, so many good times. So it's honestly pretty dang cool that it's coming around full circle, and now we both have, you know, young boys that we're gonna go take fish today. So anyways, looking forward to it. Should be a lot of fun. And after I go get this crown popped on, I'm gonna be heading back to town, loading up, and getting out on the lake. All right, well, just pulled up. Time to get the crown. Be right back. And just like that, I guess I'm feeling like royalty because I got a crown. Anyways, gonna grab a bite to eat, get back home, and then hopefully get out on the lake, catch some fish. Who's gonna catch the biggest fish?
Me.
All right, we'll see. It is just about 2 o'clock, and I've got the boys and Casey unloaded on the water. I'm walking on this dock, about to get picked up, get on the boat. Hopefully we catch some fish. No, it's not dead.
I was trying.
Reel it.
Reel it. Reel it. Hurry, reel it fast.
Reel it fast. Reel it in, Bodhi. He's in.
I can do it.
Let him do it. Down in the water.
Good job, dude. Heck yeah.
You know it's good. What are those black things for that? There's turtles. What are those over there?
Just like that, after a pretty long day, it is now 10 after 10 p.m. And in all honesty, this late at night, after the eventful day I've had, I'm with a 5 and a 4-year-old that we got to bed and everything just a little bit ago. I'm wore out, exhausted, I'm old, I should be going to bed right now, but instead, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna sit right here on my computer and I'm gonna edit this vlog that you just watched. Until the next one, guys, vlog number 367. The Dylan and Jover.